Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check liked reels on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and then go to your activity. And in this page, click likes. So as you can see, I haven't liked anything yet, so let's try liking some reels, and then liking this, and then this, and this, and this. So let's do it all over again. Go to profile, and then menu, and then your activity, and then likes. At the moment, I can see the reels that I've liked just now. And this is how you can also conveniently check all your liked reels. So you can scroll through the list or use sorting options such as sorting by recency, by dates, by author. And if you wish to unlike a reel, simply tap on the video or reel and then click the highlighted heart icon. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!